Multicultural Resource Center. A sense of belonging and feeling like you're part of a community are an important part of college experience. There's a place on campus just for that. The EMCC Multicultural Resource Center is located at the Student Union, and it provides a safe and welcoming space for students and employees. One of the goals of the Multicultural Resource Center is to provide an engaging space for students, staff, faculty, employees, and community members to meet and develop initiatives to embed diversity, equity, and inclusion into our college. Through this work, we hope all our students will develop a greater understanding of cultural awareness, empathy, identity, and community within a diverse, equitable, and inclusive space. The Multicultural Resource Center is open every day the college is open. For more information, check out our student life and leadership page or give them a call.